Hi there mga kaipunaryos, ikaw ba ay nagkamali na pagdating sa pera? Well, kung ikaw ay nagkamali na, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kung ano pong pagkakamali ng Team Kramer at paano tayo matututo sa kanilang mga money lessons. Kung kayo ay handa na, you should watch this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Super excited ako sa session natin na ito dahil nga nung dumadaan po ako sa sa Facebook po, dumaan sa feed ko, itong video na ito nung pinanood ko, sinabi ko grabe, ang daming mga valuable lessons na pwede nating matutunan sa mga ibang tao. Kasi parati ko sinasabi, no, experience is not only the best teacher, but learning from other people's mistakes and experiences is the best teacher. Do you agree? Kung nag-agree kayo, type agree in the comment section. Kaya kung gusto niyo matuto, please get a notepad at the same time already ball pen, tapos magsulat na po tayo because itong mga matutunan natin are priceless and it can help you to save thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of pesos. Shout out lang sa mga Kramer at kung gusto nyo mapanood itong buong video na ito, ilalagay ko na rin link later. Okay? Panoorin muna natin itong first part.
So, nung bagong kasal kami ni Doug, ang kinasanayan ko kasi is for me to pay for my own bills. And so, I brought that into our marriage na I will pay for whatever bills in the house, Doug will pay for whatever bills. So, nag-delegate kami. Ikaw yung sa grocery, ako yung sa electricity and everything. But you see, there were some unforeseen things that happened. Medyo nagka-financial struggle kami. And with that, nag-decide kami na siguro mas maganda if mag-joint account tayo. Joint force yung pera natin. So, with that also, nag-decide kami, sino bang mas magaling mag-handle ng pera?
Okay. First lesson po na natutunan po nila is definitely, yun nga, nag-umpisa, hiwalay po ang kanilang mga finances. Kaya nga, hindi sila nagtutugma. Kaya nga, nagkaroon sila ng financial problem. That's number one. Kaya ang ginawa po nila, pinagsama po nila, which is tama. Kung gusto nyo hiwalay ang inyong finances or separate ang inyong finances, it doesn't really matter as long as you agree. The key word is agree. Everybody say agree. Kailangan magkaisa kayo tungkol sa pera. Magkaisa kayo bilang mag-asawa. Pag-usapan nyo muna kung sino magbayad ng ganito, sino yung responsibilidad, tapos pagkaisahin nyo yung budget nyo. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung hiwalay po ang budget nyo, talaga magkakaroon talaga kayo ng problema. Kasi didiskarte siya or didiskarte ka, magkahiwalay. Na-experience na ba? Ito, pumunta kayo ng supermarket at dalawang cart nyo, siya bumibili, ikaw bumibili, pero kahit namilistahan kayo, pagkatapos nyo pagpunta nyo, ba't ka bumili nito? Meron na ako nito. Nagustuhan ko Kung hindi kayo nag-agree at kanya-kanya kayo gumagawa ng desisyon, chances are magkakamali kayo. Agree o disagree? Pakitype sa comment section. Kaya importante, kahit na magkahiwalay yung pera nyo, magkaisa, joint account, as long as na magkaisa kayo. Because every spending decision must be a corporate decision when it comes to husband and wife or partner. That's the first rule. Second rule, napakaganda na sinabi po ni Cheska. Alamin kung sino man sa inyo mag-asawa ang mas magaling, mas marunong, at may disiplina, siya dapat ang humawak ng pera. Hindi porket na si husband ang kumikita, siya dapat humawak ng pera. O bakit? Bakit? Magaling nga rin siya kumita ng pera. Magaling din siyang gumastos ng pera. Kaya ang pinaka-best part, no? Chinky, paano ko malalaman? Paano namin malaman sa mag-asawa, sa pag-partner, mag-jowa, kung sino mas magaling? Simple lang. 1 month sa kanya, 1 month sa babae, 1 month sa lalaki. After 1 month, check mo kung sino mas surplus, sino may savings, sino mas marunong, sino mas responsible. Siya dapat humawak ng pera. Does it make sense? Grabe naman talaga, no? Ano naman yung next na money lesson that we can learn from Team Kramer?
Not a lot of people know this, but it's true. We were in debt, a big hole. But what lessons that we learned is because of that debt. And to answer the topic question today, the greatest lesson for me is there's a time for everything about finances. And that means there's a time to save. There's a time to save. There's a time to invest. There's a time to invest. And we don't know how long that is for that person or for that couple. For Cheska and I, yung lesson namin talaga was we needed to be patient. Our first 4 or 5 years was a struggle financially.
Yes. Let me just say we both had work. Yeah. We are both working. We had good naman earnings. But the problem was, meron kaming ginawang investment na ang nangyari is naging eksaktong-eksakto lang yung mga natira sa amin.
So in other words, we were earning X amount and nag-delegate kami ng investment, which was real estate at that time.
Yes.
Right? And obviously, we wanted to put that as a forced investment na parang our priority is to invest.
Yeah.
And then, kung ano yung maiwan, bahala na.
Bahala na.
So, ang nangyari doon was, we were spending more
than what we were earning.
Nagkautang pala sila. Bakit po? Kasi nga, yung bottom line, kahit maganda po yung investment na sinasabi po nila, mas malaki po ang lumalabas na pera kaysa pumapasok na pera. Sino po sa inyong guilty dyan? Guilty. Type guilty. Yun nga, mahirap talaga pagka ikaw ay nagkautang. It's a very stressful situation. And I don't want you to be under stress. Kaya kailangan po, bago tayo pumasok, kahit na opportunity business, pagbili ng property, any investment, pag-isipan nyo muna mabuti kung talagang kaya nyo. Kasi paano malaman kung kaya nyo? Kung hindi kayo na-stress, kaya mo. Pag na-stress ka, ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya kaya. As simple as that. The question is, paano sila nakalaya dito sa utang na ito?
Guys, I want to encourage you to just trust the Lord in the plans that He has for you. And I pray that there will be breakthroughs in your life. Kasi it took 5 years. 5 years for certain investment fruits to finally bloom. Diba? And can I reference Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 in the Bible? You know, it's about everything made beautiful in its own perfect time. I love this reference. Just like a flower, when it goes through stages. And then there's a stage of blooming, diba? For us, it's a time of pruning.
Yes.
Diba?
So sometimes we go through certain trials, we go through certain challenges in our lives because God is correcting our heart, He's molding our character, He's preparing us for what is to come. Diba?
And you know, when this flower was blooming, our investment started to come out, yung pinoproblema namin before, it just became more sweeter. Parang mas na-enjoy namin yung pinaghirapan, pinag-ipunan namin na how many years na parang kinakalbo na ako kahit I was so young, inaalupisya na ako sa mukha. Parang it all became worth it, and just to trust the process, trust that God has plans to prosper you and to take care of you. But it takes a lot of time, and some people, kulang pa nga 5 years. Sometimes it might be even long.
Meron na akong panawagan at babala para sa mga sumusunod sa akin sa channel na ito. May mga taong gumagamit ng aking video at kinakat, ini-splice po na walang pahintulot po namin at ginagawang pong pang-clickbait, pang-akit po sa mga tao, sa mga tinatawag na online job scam. Sasabihin sa inyo, pwede ka kumita din, pero ginagamit po ang mga video ko po. Pagkatapos nyon, i-clickbait lang kayo, pagpasok nyo po, akala nyo ako nagpo-promote nun. Pero in reality, walang pahintulot po yan. Hindi ako magpo-promote ng mga illegal na gawain, hindi ako magpo-promote ng mga bagay na makakapahamak po sa mga tao. Kaya huwag kayong maglalabas po ng pera, ha? Huwag po kayong maglalabas ng pera. I-verify nyo muna. Pag ito hindi po nanggaling sa channel, ginab lang po, ninagay lang po sa Facebook, ninagay lang po sa Facebook Shorts, ginawa lang po sa TikTok, or ginawa po sa ibang channel, nako, huwag kayong magtiwala. Pag hindi po galing sa aking official channel, huwag kayong sasali, huwag kayong maniniwala. Nako, tatandaan, ha? Tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman. Kaya nga, please lang, kung may nakita kayong mga videos, i-report nyo agad pag hindi nanggaling po sa aming channel na walang pahintulot. Maraming salamat po. Ingat! So makikita po talaga natin how long it took them to get out of debt. 5 taon. 5 years. Kaya nga kung kayo ay may pinagdadaanan din at matindi, yun nga, sabi nga ni Dog at saka ni Cheska, that we should really learn how to trust in God. For God has a plan to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. Huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Alam kong napaka-challenging, alam kong napakahirap pag kayo po ay lubog sa utang. At kung kayo po ay lubog sa utang dahil sa mga maling desisyon, dahil napilitan ka, or sa nagkamali ka, nagkaroon ka ng yun nga, yung parang buyer's remorse, or if not naman, nalugi negosyo mo, or if not naman, nakakalungkot, na-scam ka. Whatever you're facing through right now, there is hope. Kung sila Dog and Cheska nagkaroon din ng problema, 5 years of going through the desert, na talagang naghirap at nakabayad din sa utang. Kung ikaw may pinagdadaanan, feeling mo na talaga parang kailan ako makakalabas nito, kaya mo makalabas nito. Bakit? Dahil may isang Diyos na buhay na hindi ka iiwanan at pababayaan. At kaya ka talagang pagpalain ng Diyos. God can bless you tremendously. Believe me, my friend, He can bless you tremendously, that He can get you out of your financial situation, whatever it may be. Kaya nga, sana naman natuto tayo sa episode na ito, kina Dog at saka kay Cheska. At kung gusto niyo mapanood po yung buong version po nito, please feel free to check the link below para mapanood niyo yung full version. At kung ano pong natutunan niyo sa video natin na ito, please also share it with me. I would love to help you, and then let's digest, let's connect with one another. Kaya maraming salamat sa pag-tune in sa video na ito. And please don't forget to like, follow, and also subscribe. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman. Mga kaipunaryo, nabisita ka siguro dito dahil gusto mong marating ang tinatawag nating maginhawa at yayamanin life, di ba? Ang goal natin is to become financially free and stress-free. So congratulations because you have landed in the right place. Ako po si Chingitan, ang inyong pambansang wealth coach na handang tumulong sa inyong money problems. Itong channel na one-stop shop na dito matututo ka paano magparami ng pera, paano budget, paano makaipon, paano makawala sa utang, at paano mag-invest. Kaya nga may maganda akong balita po sa inyo upang palakasin at pagandahin ang ating learning experience. Bumuo kami kasama ng YouTube po ang isang exclusive membership program. Ano kaya ang magiging benefits pag sumali kayo sa program na ito?
Get noticed here. As a channel member, magkakaroon ka ng loyalty badges, custom emojis, member shoutouts, and early access to exclusive videos. Your wealth potential is unlimited. Click join to be part of this exclusive membership.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo mga kaipunaryo? Naku, sabay-sabay na po tayong maging wealthy and debt-free. Be part of our exclusive membership.